Welcome to the RICOH Spaces Feature Drop, the series where we showcase the latest and greatest features added to the platform. Today we've got some exciting updates to share, including one huge release, issue management. We did tease this in a previous episode of our In the Pipeline series, but now it's officially here. Issue management allows users to easily raise issues against their spaces from the 3D floor plan. So for example, if I take desk number 2 over here, then I can see that there is a brand new issues tab that has recently been created. When I open that, I can see all of the recent issues that have been raised. Now in this case, there are no issues raised against this space, so I'll create a new one. Adding as much detail into this field as possible will really help with the quicker resolution of issues, but for the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to do a quick one. Say the monitor isn't working, I can add an image here, so I've got an image of a monitor, then I can open it. In fact, we can add multiple images, so I'll chuck another one in there as well. So I can show that the monitor isn't working and I'll submit that issue. And that's going to go to our issue admin. And once that's raised, you'll get an email confirmation that the issue has been logged. And I'll also have the ability to receive updates and chat directly with issue management all through this module. To see a full overview and demonstration of exactly how issue management works, along with the admin side of things, we have a video available on the RICOH Spaces YouTube channel. Next up is a feature that has been highly requested for RICOH Spaces, and we're proud to be bringing to the platform. Recurring bookings. But instead of telling you all about this feature, let me show you exactly how it works. So from our 3D floor plan, I can select a desk space, so I'm going to select desk 2 again, and we can see there is a new icon in the top of the space here. So by clicking on that icon, that will open up our Create Recurring Booking menu. So we have our space, this is desk 2, we have our date range, so we've got from the 23rd of the 8th to the 23rd of the 9th. So if our policy dictates that we can only book about 4 weeks in advance, then that is the time frame that we'll be able to use to make our recurring bookings. Now our hybrid work policy may mandate that we have to be in the office 3 days a week. So if I book Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, then as long as those days are available in the system, I will be able to book this desk once and it books it for the next 4 weeks automatically for me. So as long as those dates are available in the system, it will book those dates on a recurring basis over the next 4 weeks. Once configured, it will give us a summary of all of the desk bookings that we will have over that time period. So we can see we've got the 27th and then Tuesday the 3rd and then Tuesday the 10th and the Wednesdays and Thursdays in between that. So I can see all of my bookings are here. Obviously it doesn't go up until the 23rd because the next Tuesday would be the 24th. So I can say, yep, I'm happy with that and I'll confirm it, and it will secure those bookings for me in the system. The key benefit of the recurring booking feature is that you don't have to book your desks each week. It's a really easy way to just make your bookings for the foreseeable future. And this feature is now available on web and mobile. Now, when it comes to analytics and monitoring your workplace, we've got a couple of new reports coming to Insights. Firstly is the Environmental and Energy Report. This report links in with a recent integration that we've made with sensor hardware. We actually have a video about it available on our YouTube channel if you'd like to go and watch. These reports are a great way of monitoring your office, allowing you to make proactive decisions to improve working conditions. Continuing with our Insights reports, we also have a new Ghost Booking report. A ghost meeting is where a meeting gets created and has a resource like a room allocated to it, but the room doesn't actually end up getting used. This type of event can be an issue for organizations because it wastes space, which is an expensive resource. You can easily access this report from the Insights section by going into Insights, scrolling down, finding Ghost Meetings and opening it up, and that's where you'll be able to view these new results. Lastly, we've got some small updates for our visitor management feature, which itself got a huge overhaul earlier in August. We have some improvements to the CSV upload feature, which allows you to update contact information in bulk, which can be used for both the address book and emergency lists. And you can now save the view settings for admins. Now, a quick reminder before we go, if you want to use any of our latest features using the RICOH Spaces mobile app, things like issue management or recurring bookings, then you need to make sure that you have the latest version of the RICOH Spaces app downloaded from either the App Store or the Google Play Store. Now those are all of our updates for this episode of the Feature Drop. We really appreciate you watching this far, and if you'd like to read the written version of this, then it's available in the RICOH Spaces Help Center. And of course, you can find all of our videos available on the RICOH Spaces YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.